So guys, in this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis based on my unique calculation way. Okay, so I'll be telling you the Nifty 50 analysis for tomorrow and also the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. And also I'll be telling you the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. And also I'll be telling you on what levels you can trade on this segment and the stocks as well. And also I'll be telling you the top news and interesting news what are available for the day. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also please make sure this video is only for educational purpose. Before you trade on the stocks or the levels, you can do your own analysis as well. So now let's start with Nifty 50 analysis for tomorrow. So tomorrow once the market opens, just see the Nifty 50 opening price and add opening price plus 175 to find out the maximum high what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 175 to find out the maximum low what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow. You can also treat it as the maximum support and the resistance level, and opening price plus 88 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 88 to find out the key support level for the Nifty 50. So these are the calculation levels what you can do for Nifty 50 to find out the levels of the market. And now let's talk about Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 340 to find out the maximum high, and opening price minus 340 to find out the maximum low, and opening price plus 170 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 170 to find out the key support level of Bank Nifty. So these are the calculation for Bank Nifty and Nifty for tomorrow. Okay, and also guys, if you are new to a stock market trading, or if you want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with daily live market guidance as well. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snacks or a fast food in a month. Okay, so you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me, and I'll be guiding you personally to make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch the daily live trades what I'm uploading. So once you join us, you will be getting the same trades and I'll be guiding with the same techniques as well. So now let's talk about the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, so the first stock will be Adani Ports. So for Adani Ports, what you have to do is once the market opens at 9:15, just see the Adani Ports opening price and add Adani Ports opening price plus 20 to find out the maximum high, and opening price minus 20 to find out the maximum low what the stock can perform for tomorrow, and opening price plus 10 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 10 to find out the key support level. And the next stock will be TechM. So for TechM, opening price plus 25 to find out the maximum high, and opening price minus 25 to find out the maximum low, and opening price plus 12 to find out the key resistance, and opening price minus 12 to find out the key support level. So these are the two stocks what you guys can observe for tomorrow. Okay, and now let's talk about the important news or important updates what are available in the market. So the first news is from IdeaFog IPO. So IdeaFog technology has turned out to be the first initial public offering, that is IPO, to get subscription more than 100 times since 2022. So after 2022, this was the first stock which got subscription more than 100 times. Okay, and experts attributed the performance to impressive response from all the section of investors. So a lot of investors have been invested in this IPO, so it has subscribed over 100 times. Okay, and this IPO of the drone manufacturing company, so this is a drone manufacturing company, was subscribed more than 106 times during June 26th to 30th of 2023, getting more than rupees 33,000 crore worth of bids. At the higher end of the price band was rupees 638 to 672 per share. So this was a very good IPO and it was oversubscribed more than 100 times, and this has got a very positive result. So this is about the IdeaFog IPO. And the next news is from Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad hotel rooms prices soar to up to rupees 1 lakh ahead of India cricket match on October 15th. So that is the hotel rooms in Ahmedabad have hiked up more than 10 times, 15 times. So a lot of five-star hotel and almost 70% of a five-star hotel are already booked. Now the hotel which are available for 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. If you just search it for October 15th when there is India versus Pakistan match, if you see on that date, the hotel rates have gone up to more than 10 times. They are charging more than 1 lakh as well. So a lot of five-star hotel have been already been booked. So I'll just show you that in booking.com so that you'll just see how the price have been hiked due to the cricket match. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, these are the hotel rates of 5 star on 3 July. If you guys can see, so I'm just seeing from 3 July to 5th of July. So you get the hotels around 10,000, 14,000, 16,000 like that. But as you guys know, there's a India match cricket happening on October 15th. So if I put 15th to 17th and if I do the same search, same hotel which was like 8,000, 9,000 per night, now they're charging up to 30,000, 50,000 like that. You can see this hotel which was almost like around 8,000, so now they're charging 52,000 per night plus 9,000 taxes. So this is how the prices of hotels have been hiked in Ahmedabad for the cricket. So guys, yes, these are the news and these are the updates for tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and also do subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon with the live trade videos. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.